bang, nigga. Fuck.
The image of a man cursed to forever hold the earth on his shoulders is one that many of us may be familiar with, but how many of us actually know the story behind the man? The man this story centers around is in fact not a man at all, but rather a titan known as Atlas, and a common misconception is that it's the earth on his shoulders, but he was actually cursed by Zeus to hold Uranus, the personification of the sky and the heavens, and that is what he bears on his shoulders. He was part of what many considered to be the second generation of Titans, being the son of the Titan Iapetus and Clymene, one of the many daughters of Oceanus, making him the brother to Prometheus, Epimetheus and Meniotius. It was also believed that Atlas fathered many children, a large portion of them being regarded as nymphs, including the Hesperides, Calypso, and Maia, the mother of Hermes, which would make the messenger god one of Atlas's grandchildren. During the war between the Titans and the Olympians, Atlas and his brother Meniotius sided with the Titans, whereas Prometheus and Epimetheus sided with Zeus, but Atlas was believed to have been one of the main sources of rebellion against the Olympians, potentially even leading the Titans into battle, which is why when the war ended, Zeus made an example of Atlas. His brothers and sisters were banished to Tartarus, but Zeus condemned Atlas to stand on the western edge of the earth.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
I just gotta do me. What? $100,000 watch, I just throw that bitch around. Niggas been about that paper, just ask the real niggas in the town.
Bang, bang, nigga.
Been flying as fuck. Bummy days are still going down. This a jungle, not a circus. Niggas will lay you down, but acting like a clown. Never had the time, but I still hold that shit down. Walk like a god, the fuck I need with a crown. I just do what I want, while niggas do what they could. Now that they on earth, am I not gon' move with a good? My niggas out here bringing class to the hood. I do what I want.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
Yeah,
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
do what I want. Do what I want, I do what I please. Can't go write your life, nigga with ease. Nigga please. Do what I want.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
Do what I want. Toxic places in my thoughts about my occupation. Smoke my words, I be spaceman. I dream what I dream, and touch the air up there if it's vacant. Pray off bullshit, I stay adjacent. You niggas be out here flagrant, and to be honest, I ain't got the patience. Pressure bust pipes, I hold that bitch like a weight bench. Want the world to rock with me off in the universe like a spaceship. I just do what I want. Wild niggas do what they could. Now that they on earth, am I not gon' move for the good? My niggas out here bringing class to the hood. Do what I want.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang.
Yeah. Do what I want. Do what I want. I do what I please. Pen God, write your life, nigga with ease. Nigga please. Do what I want. Do what I want. Tell the truth, I'm fucking how I mustard. Since the YG I had customers. Well, it's a new hustle, new levels, and new devils. All struggle. Can't stop, won't stop. Like pump, we gon' bubble. Audible for your audio. Anytime, call the plays in the huddle. OCD, feel my pain when it rains. Don't get lost in the puddle. Deeper in the rain. It's like into a dream. Sun gotta rise.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
Might as well be the day. We go. I just do what I want. Wild niggas do what they could. Now that they on earth, am I not gonna move for the good? My niggas out here bringing class to the hood. Do what I want. Yeah, do what I want.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
Do what I want. I do what I please. Paying God rights to life, nigga with ease. Nigga please. Do what I want. Do what I want.
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck.
You closer to where you trying to get than where you started from. So you gotta keep going, and that's the point. If you stay down, you'll reach that point. You'll look up and be like, shit, it's closer to get to where I'm trying to get than to stop and turn around. So you know, just stay.